Did you know that approximately 2 million people die each year from liver disease worldwide? Yes, you heard it right. 2 million. That's like the entire population of Houston, Texas, vanishing off the face of the earth every single year. It's a number that's hard to comprehend, but it starkly highlights the severity of the situation we're dealing with. Liver health problems are not some rare, obscure condition. They're a pervasive global issue affecting people from all walks of life, all ages and all nationalities. It's a silent epidemic that's creeping up on us, largely unnoticed, but with potentially devastating consequences. This isn't a niche topic relevant only to a few. It's a universal concern that touches all of us, directly or indirectly. Our liver is a vital organ, and its health is crucial to our overall well-being. This is a serious problem that demands our attention. Let's dive deeper into what liver health problems really are. Liver health problems encompass a wide range of conditions, including cirrhosis, hepatitis, and liver cancer. Delving deeper into understanding liver health problems, let's begin by appreciating the liver for what it is. A vital organ, the liver is the body's chemical factory, performing numerous functions that keep us alive and well. It detoxifies harmful substances, produces essential proteins, aids in digestion, and stores vitamins and energy. But what happens when this vital organ isn't working as it should? When liver health problems occur, the liver's ability to perform its essential functions is compromised. This can lead to a variety of health issues ranging from mild to severe. Let's break down some of these liver health problems. Cirrhosis, for instance, is a condition where the liver slowly deteriorates and malfunctions due to chronic injury. Scar tissue replaces healthy liver tissue, partially blocking the flow of blood through the liver and inhibiting its ability to function. Hepatitis, on the other hand, is an inflammation of the liver, usually caused by a viral infection. There are several different types of hepatitis, each caused by a different virus and each affecting the liver in different ways. Liver cancer, as the term suggests, is a condition where cancerous cells form in the tissues of the liver. This can occur as a result of other liver diseases, like cirrhosis or hepatitis, or due to a variety of other factors. It's important to note that these liver health problems can be sneaky. They often don't present symptoms until the disease has progressed significantly, hence earning the moniker of a silent killer. By the time symptoms appear, the liver may already be seriously damaged. So, understanding these liver health problems is not just about knowing the names and definitions. It's about appreciating the vital role the liver plays in our health and recognizing the potential consequences when it's not functioning as it should. Liver health problems can be a silent killer, often showing no symptoms until the disease has progressed significantly. Liver health problems can be caused by a variety of factors, including excessive alcohol consumption, obesity, and certain viruses. Let's dive deep into the causes of these liver health issues to understand them better. Firstly, excessive alcohol consumption is a leading cause of liver damage. The liver, being responsible for breaking down alcohol, can become overwhelmed by excessive amounts, leading to inflammation and scarring. Over time, this can develop into cirrhosis, a severe and often irreversible liver disease. Next, obesity is another significant contributor to liver health problems. Excess fat deposits in the liver can lead to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, a condition that affects millions of people worldwide. This disease can progress into non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, a more severe form that causes inflammation and damage to liver cells, potentially leading to cirrhosis or liver cancer. Moving on, certain viruses can also wreak havoc on the liver. Hepatitis B and hepatitis C are two such viruses that lead to chronic liver disease. If not treated correctly, these viruses can cause long-term liver damage, resulting in cirrhosis and liver cancer. Moreover, some inherited diseases like Wilson's disease or hemochromatosis cause abnormal amounts of substances to build up in the liver, leading to damage. Other conditions like gallstones or reactions to prescription drugs can also pose a risk to liver health. Lastly, it's important to highlight that lifestyle choices significantly impact liver health. A balanced diet, regular exercise, moderate alcohol consumption, and regular medical checkups can go a long way in maintaining a healthy liver. In essence, liver health problems are multifaceted, with causes ranging from lifestyle choices to inherited diseases. Understanding these causes is crucial as it allows us to take preventive measures and make informed decisions about our health. Knowing the causes of liver health problems is the first step towards prevention. With this knowledge, we can make positive changes to protect our liver health and overall well-being. After all, prevention is always better than cure. The symptoms of liver health problems can be subtle and easily overlooked. That's why it's essential to be aware of the possible signs and what they might mean for your overall health. One of the most common symptoms of liver health problems is fatigue. This isn't just feeling a little tired after a long day, it's a profound sense of weariness that doesn't go away with rest. You may wake up feeling as tired as when you went to bed, and simple tasks can feel like climbing a mountain. Next up is jaundice. This is a yellowing of the skin and the whites of the eyes caused by a buildup of a substance called bilirubin in the body. If your liver isn't working properly, it can't break down this substance, leading to jaundice. It might start subtly, but over time, it becomes noticeable. Abdominal pain is another symptom to watch for. This pain typically occurs in the upper right part of your abdomen, where the liver is located. It might be a dull ache, or it could be sharp and intense. Now let's talk about the effects of liver health problems. The liver plays a crucial role in your body, performing hundreds of functions, including detoxifying harmful substances in your body, storing vitamins and minerals, and producing proteins that help your blood clot. When your liver is struggling, these functions can be compromised. This might mean that toxins build up in your body, leading to feelings of sickness and fatigue. Similarly, if your liver can't store vitamins and minerals properly, you might experience deficiencies that affect your energy levels and overall health. Impaired liver function can also affect your blood clotting, increasing your risk of bruising and bleeding. And let's not forget that the liver is a vital part of your immune system. When it's not working properly, you're more susceptible to infections. These are just a few examples of how liver health problems can impact your body and well-being. It's a sobering reminder of why liver health should never be taken for granted. Recognizing these symptoms early can lead to timely treatment and potentially save lives. So, keep an eye out for these signs and consult a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Let's recap what we've learned so far about liver health problems. Liver health problems are a serious concern that affects millions of people worldwide. These problems range from mild conditions that may not cause any noticeable symptoms to severe diseases that can lead to life-threatening complications. Understanding what these health problems are is the first step towards prevention and treatment. We've discussed how the liver, an organ that performs over 500 functions in our body, can be affected by various health problems. These include fatty liver disease, hepatitis, cirrhosis, and liver cancer. Each of these conditions has different causes, symptoms, and effects, but all of them can significantly impact our overall health. When we talk about the causes of liver health problems, it's important to remember that many factors can contribute. Excessive alcohol consumption, poor diet, obesity, and exposure to harmful substances are just a few examples. Viral infections, such as hepatitis B and C, can also lead to serious liver damage. The symptoms of liver health problems can vary widely, and unfortunately, they often go unnoticed until the condition has progressed. These symptoms may include fatigue, jaundice, abdominal pain, and unexplained weight loss. The effects of these problems can be far-reaching, impacting not only the liver, but also other organs and systems in the body. It's essential to highlight the importance of early detection in preventing liver health problems. Regular checkups, blood tests, and imaging studies can help identify any abnormalities in the liver at an early stage, allowing for timely treatment. Remember, the earlier a liver health problem is detected, the better the chances of successful treatment and recovery. Equally important is the role of lifestyle changes in preventing liver health problems. A balanced diet, regular exercise, moderate alcohol consumption, and avoiding exposure to harmful substances can all contribute to maintaining a healthy liver. It's never too late to start making these changes, and every small step can make a significant difference in your liver health. In conclusion, liver health problems are a widespread issue that requires our attention. By understanding what these problems are, their causes, symptoms, and effects, we can take the necessary steps towards prevention and treatment. Awareness is the first step, but action is what truly makes a difference. So let's take care of our livers. Let's prioritize our health. Let's make the necessary changes today for a healthier tomorrow. Because our livers, just like us, deserve the best care possible. Remember, your liver is a vital organ that needs care and attention. By understanding liver health problems, you can take the necessary steps to ensure your liver stays healthy.